I bought the Gorilla Cart's 6 cubic foot metal cart from Lowe's Home Improvement to help a friend clean up her backyard. It was $174 plus tax. The cart is really simple to put together. While trying to attach the neck of the handle that attaches to the front steering axle, the two pieces didn't fit up nicely. I ended up stripping one of the bolts. The hardware it comes with is of poor quality. I ended up using a regular bolt and nut. While using the cart, I ran over something sharp and punctured the two left tires. I will definitely replace the tires with foam-filled tires in the future. One of the long side panels of the cart was bent on the bottom rail, which wasn't a big deal for me. I just smashed it straight with a hammer. There was also a little weld slag in one of the corners which prevented the side panel from meeting up with the end panel. And almost all the hook catches that retained the sides together were a little bent out of shape. But because they are made with such flimsy metal, it was easy to bend with a plier. After using the cart on the first day to move stuff, I washed it all down with water. The next day there was a lot of surface rust, especially in the track that the expanded metal sits in the side and end panel. The expanded metal and the frames of the side panels are made with thin gauge metal, while the axles and frame are made of a decently strong thickness. I will probably have to spray the cart down with WD-40 after each wash down. Despite its faults, the cart worked great and was very useful for moving small things as well as oversized things. The sides come off and go back on quick and easy. It is also very maneuverable and appears to be able to handle quite a bit of weight. I don't know about 1,000 pounds, but it can definitely hold 300 to 400 pounds of old concrete.